it's Lori. Welcome back to Pizazz Studios. Hope everybody's doing very well. And today I'm creating a painting that I am later going to embellish. I've gone ahead and covered my canvas with my white paint, and I'm doing a Dutch pour today. I'm just cleaning up a little bit here on the side, but I just put down my white paint. And so this is a 12 by 12 canvas, and the entire thing is covered with Artist Loft White Flow acrylic paint. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a painting where I have just some color down here, and I wanna have a lot of negative space. And I have 5 colors I'm gonna use. And the first one is primary blue. That's this here. Okay, this one I have is a bright, is it aqua green? Let me see. This one's, oh, bright aqua green. Yep, so that's bright aqua green. This pretty color is metallic purple. There's only a little bit left in these bottles too, so I'm trying to use up these colors. And this one is cerulean blue. And then I have a pretty metallic blue, which I made up. It's a custom color. Metallic aquamarine. And I think there's a metallic amethyst mixed in here. So I think that's how I made that one. So this is primary blue. I'm gonna put this down first. I might have put that a little bit higher than I wanted, but that's okay. I think I'll still have plenty of negative space after I blow it out. And of course, it depends on how far you blow it as well. This is the bright aqua green. Just kind of sprinkling a little bit of this on here. I'm not being too heavy with the paints today. Next one I'm going to use is the metallic purple. Such a pretty color. I'm using my Lolivefe bottles today. These bottles are great. I love them. They have a cool twist top. They're the perfect size for me. I really enjoy these. I love the twist top too. You don't have to worry about losing a cap. You don't have to worry about the stir sticks getting in your way and all that. Happy with this. And let me just scooch my paints over to the side before I get my hair dryer. Where do you see this cute little hair dryer? This hair dryer is awesome, by the way. If you, it's not a big one, it's a small one. It's a travel dryer, but it's called Flower. It's a Drew Barrymore hair dryer. I actually saw Canella using this, Canella Sirocco. So if you check out her channel, she's like infamous for Dutch pours, and she's an excellent artist. But she pointed out that she was using this hair dryer, and I watched her use it, and it looked amazing. And it's perfect. It's a great size. It actually has a lot of power for a little hair dryer. There is no cool setting, but I find that I don't really need that. I've used this probably 3 or 4 times already, and I really do like it. So if you need a new little hair dryer, that's a good one to get. I got it at Walmart, and I believe it was like $25, maybe $27. So I'm gonna put down some white paint here. Because it has when you do smaller paintings too. You don't need such a giant, enormous hair dryer, you know, you can just use a small one. And this one works really good. I had another travel one, but it didn't work very well. So compared to that, I love this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and blow some white paint up over my colors here, and then I'm gonna blow it out. Let me just torch this again real quick. I see some bubbles in my white. Okay, that's better. All right, so here we go. And by the way, this hairdryer has 2 settings. There's a low and there's a high. this is beautiful already. Look at these cells coming up. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I love that. So I blew the white paint up and over because that's the way I wanted to do this one. And now I'm torching it, removes air bubbles, but it also helped to create some cells with the heat. I'm gonna put some white on my edges here. This one's almost empty. I do have a second bottle, but I'm trying to use this one up. There we go. All right. Ooh, this is gonna be pretty, I can tell already. We'll see. See what happens though. Here we go. I'm gonna blow it out now that way. Gorgeous. Wow, I love these colors. So I have something in mind. Like I said, I'm going to embellish this afterwards. So I need to leave me a good amount of negative space for the project I have in my mind that I will show you later on, or if I get it finished and before I upload this video, I'll include a picture of it at the end, and if not, then I don't know. I'll show it at one point or another. I'm going away in a few days. I'm going down to my other studio location in Florida. Today is Monday, and I leave on Friday, so I have to start packing up some of my paints and things because I want to bring them with me. So I'll be down there for just a couple weeks this time around. I have a lot of stuff there already. I don't have to bring everything with me, but I am going to bring some paints and maybe some canvases too. So, you know, I'm wondering, I might actually leave that for the project I have in mind. I think I was going to wipe this off at first. But I think I like it. I think I'm going to leave it. So I'm going to get a straw. I'm going to blow a little bit of this out. It looked kind of wispy. I had a negative space down in this corner. I was trying to decide if I want to blow it out, and I think I'm going to, just so it's more in balance with that corner, and I'll leave these two white. Not too much paint right there. I'm just going to add a dash of paint here and blow this out a little bit. I don't want to leave my corner too dry, so I'm going to add a little bit here. Well, that's better. I'm adding a little bit of color to my edge, because I would just like more color here on the side. So I'm just adding a couple, well, I was going to say a couple drops, but it's more than a couple drops. I was adding like little bits, little drops here and there just to fill in where there's some white spots or where I might want a little bit more of this aqua color. There we go. That looks pretty. Now, I'm going to blow a little bit over here. A little bit more. It's really pretty right here. It has a primary blue, some of this metallic blue, and the aqua all mixed together. There's some really pretty cells right here. A lot of color underneath that paint there, I could see, so I started to blow on it to get some of the color to come up. So that looks nice now. You can tell when you have color laying under the white because it's really difficult to explain. But like this spot right here, I know I can't really show you too close, but this spot right here, you can see there's color there, and then there's like a white overlay over it, and if you blow on that, the color should come up. Now I'll show you what I mean. See? There was all that beautiful blue underneath there. I'm just about done. This looks. I'm very happy with it. So I'm gonna let this dry and just go along the bottom and wipe off my edges from any drips that are happening underneath. That way the paint underneath won't continue to pull off my paint from the top. And I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here's our close-up. Let me zoom in a little bit. I have a lot of good cells and everything in this painting. It looks really pretty. And a little bit more. So like I said, I'm going to embellish this. I needed to leave some bit of space there for me to do that. So I think this is going to work perfectly for what I have in mind. Came back and added just a little bit to the video. I have my dried results, so here's the painting all dried. I have not varnished or anything like that yet, so this is just a dried paint with the skin on the canvas, and it came out so pretty. I love the way the gold and the butterfly, the sparkles in the light. It's a little hard to pick up in this light here. I don't have an overhead light on it. It's kind of behind me, so. But it turned out really pretty. I like it a lot. If you're interested, please email me. The email is down in my description box below my video here, where you can contact me. Let me know if you have any questions or anything like that as well. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.